This is Saturday, the 28th day of November 2025. I hope you are aware that the federal government have shut down the whole Unity College in the country because of insecurity. I hope you are aware that 4 states right now, including Katsina, have shut down boarding schools all over the states. I hope you are understanding this trend. Now, this is a response to insecurity, but not only a response to insecurity, it's also a response to stopping Western education in Nigeria. People will not see it from this angle, but I'm telling you the real fact. These people's target is to stop Western education in Nigeria. They don't want this kind of education you people are doing. Now, this will scare you, but I'm not surprised because this is what I told you people that is going to happen, and it's already happening. Now, listen to me. Around 3:04 a.m. yesterday, I received a call because this call was coming constantly, so I had to respond to it. So it happened to be one of my person, my friend. This guy was telling me what is going on in Kanji route in Niger State. And Niger State happens to where the state where these children were kidnapped in St. Mary's School. This guy was telling me how uncountable numbers of Fulani militia invaded Nigeria yesterday through Niger State. They said they moved to close to Kanji Dam, that they are moving towards that side. And where is their destination? Well, through my study, I discovered that any terrorist, anytime they told me that these terrorists are coming through that route, Kwara State and Southwest is always their destination. This is what, study have, let me say history. History has demonstrated this. So anytime they told me that these people are on this route, Kwara State, Southwest is always their destination. Benin Republic knows border with Kwara State the other time, and they have increased security and border patrol close to Nigerian border side. So I think these people are avoiding clash with Benin Republic security, and they are intensifying using that Niger route into the country. Now, this school adoption that is going on, Nigeria military is complicit. Ayoko Chapima is saying it. Nigeria military received a call, and even governor of Niger State have confirmed this. Nigeria military received a call to leave the premises that the terrorists were coming to carry those school children. Now, I want to put it to them. Someone like Defense Minister, Matawale, ought to know who kidnapped these people. And I think he's already in Niger State to negotiate with them and all those things. And this is not a secret. These are coordinated attempts by the people in government in collaboration with these terrorists, and the military commanders are aware of what I'm saying. They call military officers who were stationed because intelligence. I told you people that terrorists in Nigeria operate in a safe haven. So if you want to gather intelligence about them, it is very easy to gather. Their movement is not hidden. They tweeted, they use Telegram. They have Telegram groups. Sometimes we join the group. Sometimes they remove us. We understand the movement of these people. Like, they are not hiding their movement. They don't hide everything they are doing. Why? Because Nigeria has provided a safe haven for these terrorists. So, the military architecture, they are aware of everything that is going on. And they can't stop it because people who are commanding them knows what is going on. Now, this is where it got scarier. The issue here is this. These people want war in Nigeria, these jihadists. They want to stop Western education. After 20 years, it's unfortunate that Tinubu government was confirming yesterday to US that there is jihadists in Nigeria. This is what I've been saying right from time. And I even got threats from one DSS man, which I know he was not acting in official capacity. He was just trying to intimidate someone, but he understands that I'm not the kind of person you intimidate, because I am going to humble you with facts that you don't even know. These people are weird. The Tinubu government have now come to agree that there is jihadists targeting people in Nigeria just yesterday. And you can see it on the report today, this morning. So I understand perfectly well what is going on. I might not be able to do anything about it, but I have access to information about what is going on, about insecurity in Nigeria. And that is why since 2 years, I have been warning people about this. I've been warning people about this. I've been telling people, look at this, look at this, look at this. Now, the thousands of reinforcements these terrorists are coming into Nigeria. There will be war in this country. Nobody will stop this. There will be war. The number of terrorists in this country will be like ×4 of the military police together we have. They have more weapons than the military, the police and everything. And their backbone are the people who are the Nigeria army and all these things. I asked a question. Why do they dismiss 4 persons that they dismiss that they fire Boko Haram? Nigeria is a country, I don't understand the way this country is. Any rubbish thing will happen, everybody will keep quiet. 4 military officers were fired because they said they disobeyed a standing order of opening fire on Boko Haram when their boss did not ask them to fire Boko Haram. And you want Boko Haram to first fire them and kill them? So these are the issues of collusion in Nigeria. And I pity the southern politicians. I pity the southern politicians. Tinubu understands what is going on, but Tinubu is not in charge. Tinubu is helpless. Tinubu can't help this matter at all. We are in a terrible situation. Anarchy looms. You know that word you hear, anarchy, it is playing out now. There is an anarchy in the land. Nigerian constitution has been suspended. Nigerian constitution is not in effect anymore. Terrorists can kill and have a peace deal because they are the soldiers of the Islamic militias and the Sharia movement in Nigeria. Their mission is to make sure Nigeria is Islamized, and there is no two ways about it. If there is no intervention about this, everybody will be sitting down in their houses thinking about next election, thinking about this and that. These people are going to get to every corner of Nigeria. I am saying this, it's not because this is a prayer. By the February next year, every southern state, Delta, Bayelsa, Port Harcourt, you see all this thing happening in Nigeria, it will happen in these states. But in March, there will be a very brutal military action from the US and Nigeria. A very brutal. Nigeria is going to go into war. I want you to save this video. Nigeria is going to go into war. These people have a straight plan, like they have a plan. This is a plan that nobody is going to stop. All this thing we're even talking, it's not good. We are just trying to create awareness. We cannot stop these people unless the Christians, the African traditional religions, the moderate Muslims, they prepare to die. Everybody will carry a weapon. If military even ask you to drop weapon, you challenge the military based on the military is colluding with these people. You understand? Everybody have to, even though it's compassion, go and license it. You understand? Get the weapon, go and license it. Don't let any military or police take it away from you. If you have, let me tell you, people will say compassion is not a gun to match the terrorist gun. No, don't say that. If the whole villagers have compassion, 100 Fulani militias with AK-47 can't defeat them all. They can't defeat them. They move a convoy. You open one shot of compassion, 3 people will be down. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is that don't let police or military intimidate you that you have gun. Go and register compassion. Do everything you can to own a gun and fight for, the registration. The other things, now it's not everything we say on social media. But what I'm telling you is that if it is your capacity to own a gun and license it, go and do that. But it's not everything I will tell you on social media. The truth is this. The military will not be able to protect you on the doomsday. You will see all this thing you are seeing. The doomsday has not come. A day will come. They will call these people to come and unleash the jihad war against you. It is going to happen. This is not a prayer. It's going to happen. It has been planned. And that worry, the police, military cannot save you. Police, military cannot save you. You know this, I told you people all these things right from 2 years. I was updating you these people's progress, these people's movement. I was updating you set by set, set by set, set by set. Constant update, telling you what is going on. And this is the level we are now. It is a level preparing to call for a Sharia war. They will wipe out everybody that does not believe in what they believe. They will wipe out everybody that does not believe in their radicalism. A lot of people will go in for it. Anyway, it is what it is. Take a listen to what Niger State Governor said about military receiving a call, taking orders from the terrorists to leave that they are coming to kidnap school children. It is a pity.
It is a very unfortunate situation because as government, when we had an intel, we decided to call a security meeting. And we did so. We seek the security advice, and they said that all is well. What they should do is they are going to mobilize to the school. And they did so. By 3 o'clock, the military withdrew. And by 3:45, the abduction took place. That is why we are worried. And we have been asking questions: who authorized the withdrawal of the military? Because we know when orders were being given, particularly on the military, until when an order is being given, and why, how does the security withdraw from that school at that material time? That is our worry. And we also ask the military authority to also investigate and find out who gave that order.